Baragi, okay? Baragi, 42, 43, mark him already. He's already there in the front. Yeah, listen, food check. Yo, OC. Listen, they might have a box, but careful. Listen, we're gonna do a fake, okay? Oh, no. Yo, step up, fake only.
What color ba tong, Tuli?
I have no idea.
Juju pension,
Juju
soccer.
Pension. They might have a range, okay? They might have a range bomb. Careful, okay? Careful, don't step up on the gate too much. Yeah, tanks, listen, I'm gonna need shallow. Be ready to stop there. Be ready to CC the backline, okay? Yo, Maharlika, get ready, shallow on the tank side. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, shallow. Come back. Yo, Earthrune, you don't need to go Earthrune for me. You just need to W the south side and just pull it towards me. You're making it too obvious. Hold on, careful. Hold on, spread.
6%.
Yo, get ready. On the gate shallow. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, gate shallow. Come back, boys. Come back. Careful. I don't know what that shit is, but careful. It's a fake engage, just shit. Spam those guardians in front. Yeah, stop coming, Maharlika. Stop coming. Why am I 22% now? Stop coming. Careful on the gate, boys. They have a krypton, they have a mace, and they have something else.
May A3 saver sila.
Careful. Kill up. Yo, what the fuck, man? Sinful Swift for what the actual fuck? They have a shaper. Wake the fuck up. Fucking dog shit, man.
Kinapay nila si.
Now you know they have an A3 shaper, so be careful, please. Damn, it's only Baragi fucking smashing the game. They're not really gonna step up. Careful, gates about to break. Tanks, get ready to hold the toad, eh?
You're looking west side southwest.
Oh, yeah. Careful. Just have my brain bomb, okay? Careful, fake only. That's a fake only. Defense shallow now. Heal up. Inside, shallow. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inside shallow. Nice one. Come back. Heal up. Spread northwest side. Watch the shaper. Can somebody call out their shaper, please? Spread. They have engagement, okay? Careful, they have engagement. Spread. Careful, boys. They're stepping up. Baragi stepping up, boy.
Ba't isa tayo shaper? Di ko pa itas.
They're looking soon, okay? Careful.
Nasa hard southeast. Shape.
Approximately.
Northeast side lang yung shaper
Hold on. Why are they stepping up? Oh, just waiting. Just chill. Yeah, I know. You said it like multiple times already. Just chill. Careful on the choke, boys. Play inside. Spread. Spread only. Heal up. Careful, fake, defend. Ready, defend. It's a fake. Ready, defend. Okay, wait, hold on. Yo, listen, step up. We're faking only, okay? Step up. We're faking only. Ready defenses here. Come back. Wait only. Yo, kita tatak inside. You ready? After you send off. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Shadow. Yo, my front. Shaper stacking. Spread northwest. Shaper stacking, okay? He's engaging east side. Careful on the east side. Yo, listen, I marked the shaper with a heart, okay? I marked the shaper with a heart. 1 BMS, watch the shaper, please. Listen, be careful. Don't go outside. Just chill inside. Careful, okay? Just wait. Can I get someone to open the chest? yung guard dito, okay? Watch Baragi. Baragi gonna step up. Baragi has CD, okay? Baragi has CD. Hold on, eh. Yeah, listen, we're gonna delay our counter a bit, okay? We're gonna delay our counter a bit. As much as possible, the dungeoneer just do a fake, okay? When we step up, them ready, defend shallow. Yo, give me a fake, give me a fake, give me a fake, give me a fake. Kill me. Give me a fake. Shallow na choke. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Shallow choke. Come back. Yo, can I get G8 to watch? Saka na upward, sa nangyari sa'yo?
South.
Hindi ka nagre-react sa engage nila.
God. So, out of power.
Careful. Hilap. Isa na choke. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. On the choke now. Listen. Come back hinilap. Kill 100. We're getting casualties even though we're the ones engaging. Somebody watch the Shaper. BMS, please watch the Shaper. Spread, careful. They have a very fast engage. Can you drop an early heal on their backline? The moment they jump around, or just guard and armor towards them, right? Just drop a heal. Pop a potion if you have to. Oh, do. Careful, okay? Again, careful. They're gonna look, okay? Again, careful, okay? Again, careful. Hold on. Just wait. Actually, we just go next level. Come right. Yeah, listen. Bombs, I'm gonna go next level, okay? Careful backline, please. Careful backline. Come right. Come inside. Yeah, listen, you have to be careful of the Shaper here. Can I have a BMS look over the wall here? Just watch the Shaper. Okay, spread. Come inside. Let them inside. So we can do a lot more things. Careful, please. Guys, spread along the line, okay? Get ready. Hold on. Careful, boys. Just wait. Yo, listen. Brawlers, okay? Again, all my brawlers and the party 2 healers. Once Baragi is engaged, can you guys push out and go east side tower? You see the stairs on the northeast side. You walk there and you brawl the people there, okay? Yo, my other people, my tanks step out. Watch their bomb squads. We're gonna walk in and brawl, okay? We're gonna walk in and pressure them. Alright, get ready. Hold on. It's a big one. Hold on. Ready defenses. Okay, they're gonna look. They root bounded, okay? Wait, hold on. Yo, listen, tank step out a bit. We're gonna bait one engage, okay? Step out a bit, careful. Okay, wait for the guardian armor, Baragi. Careful. Need heals up front, both. They're stepping back. Yo, Maharlika, get ready. Okay, tanks, watch my south side. Maharlika, east side on the stairs. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. East side on the stairs now. Come back. He's gonna counter that gate, okay? Careful. Come back. Defend shallow. Hilap. Come back, boys. Come back. Just chill. Let them play inside. Let them play inside. Yeah. Let them play inside. We're not yet pushing them. We're not pushing them yet.
Go back.
Nag-mount up. Ready.
I'm taking it. Oh, they go in southwest. They just rotated. Take it.
Southwest. Come southwest.
Dismounted na sila. South.
Smile me.
South.
Yeah, listen, Maharlika. Spread here. Yeah, defenses root bank, get ready. Just spread around here. Listen, we hold around here, okay? Yeah, the Brahma, we can stay over the Northwest one. They're gonna probably engage in Ipon. I'm just gonna chill around here. Yo, we soaking damage, okay? Tanks, please watch the front end. If I get one tap, because my backline, or these people in the back gets fucking engaged on, I'm gonna fucking kill you guys. Please be reactive. Boys, okay? Let them smash it. Is Baragi the only one with a hammer? Very confused. Yo, get ready, everyone. Hold on, west side shallow. Hold. Come back. Shipper. Yo, wake the fuck up, boys. Wake the fuck up. Southwest again. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Southwest again. Come back. Wake the fuck up, boys. Wake the fuck up.
Matawag the circling yung shape bro.
Yo, listen, be careful. Tell me that call it out when it's stacking already.
Okay.
Yo, listen, they're gonna engage deep here.
Talking shaper, talking shaper.
Is that shaper stacking? Yo, listen, this spirit rune will sprint. Will butch in and it's gonna ano yun.
Pop demon, there's
Action from the heels also.
That's a 7-3 shaper guys. Dapat.
That's 80. Straight.
No reaction at all. Somebody still died despite it being called out. They look here, ready a potion, walking, potion walking, defend our backline. On the choke, ready, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, on the choke now. Come back inside, let's shoot inside. I'm fucking, let's go back inside.
Gusto ko na middle. Puto yun na po.
Yeah, just go inside. Just go inside.
Low in. Puto, tagal ko doon pare.
Let's hold inside gas. Yeah, tell me what's happening. There's somebody called for me. Yeah, just hold it on the gate. I wanna see what the tanks did there. Shit.
Kulang yung good gun.
I have no idea. I feel like there was no tanks inside their backline there. It was so chunky.
Don't pick. Ganun.
Yeah. Just hold. Coming back. Yeah, just give fake engages. Okay, just give fake engages. Yeah, the BMS can go forceful swing and just keep, knocking back the. Parang is the only one smashing. Yeah, listen, they have a shaper. Do not stay on the choke, please. I feel like you guys are staying on the choke.
Shaper stacking.
Shaper stacking. Be careful. Be careful. Just be careful. Somebody died to the shaper still. Yo, oh my god, wait. Sinfuls, why are you not taking in this? For God, why are you not taking in this? Yeah, listen, come back inside. I'm here.
Burden.
Ready defenses, defend on the gate. Heal up. The shaper's gonna come, okay? Yeah, I'm over here. Evan, spread east side, boys. Spread east side. They're looking, okay? Yo, listen, tanks, control them on the choke. You can click gate if you have to, okay? Yo, they're stepping out, pull it back, ready. Wait, hold on. Ready defenses in. Bragi looking, Bragi's just stepping in. Bronner's walking, he's gonna look inside. Hold on. Push it out. Give me fake. Everything ready, inside. 5, headbutt, 4, 3, 2, 1. Headbutt inside now. Headbutt inside now. Now spread. Defend inside. Heal up. Okay. Brothers walking. Walking in roll. Spread. Get ready. We're gonna get to the choke. Give me fix now. Hold. Maharlika, get ready. On top of me. Defend. Hold. On top of me. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. On top of me. Oh my god, man. Come on. Where's the healing loads and everything, man? Heal up. Spread north side. Come inside. Right? Listen. Hold him on his choke here. Spread. We're gonna focus on this choke. Get ready, okay? Yo, can I get CC? Can I get good CCs, man? Like headbutt situation. You ready? Defend. Look, okay? Oh, yun. Come southwest. Southwest shallow. Get ready. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Southwest shallow. Spread on this side. They're gonna walk in. Okay, they missed. They have another niche, careful. not stay on the choke, man. Boys, not stay on the choke. Copy, good. This is big. It's just 22, it's fine. Come inside. Come outside. What are they doing? Yo, you guys should not be getting gapped in regear, man. You guys can take invis. Why are you guys getting gapped regeared? Come inside.
Napalit sila.
Hey, brawlers, go in fucking deep, man. Go in fucking deep. Listen, the only way they can go out is this northwest, man. Step. Careful. Stop looting. Spread. They're looking. Ready defenses. Why do I have so many low people? So many small people here. Heal up only. They have another engage. Listen, they have another engage. It's gonna come soon. Bro, just walking in, bro. Listen, kill him in the middle. Inside. Oh, I'm faking engage. I'm faking engage only. Oh, Maharlika, look at me. Get south by the wall. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. South by the wall now. Now spread. He's gonna engage you. He has engage you. Careful. Baraki looking north. Careful. Ready defenses. Careful. Walking inside. Maharlika, look at me. Ready. Already on top of me. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. It's all of them. Where's the rest of the damage? Now spread. He's gonna counter engage again. Spread. Ready your potion. Listen. He's looking northeast by the gate. Get ready. Walking. He's just engaged. Walking. Boys, can my DPS play inside already? Why do I still have DPS inside the room, north side? Hello, can you guys walk in? Southeast by the wall. Get ready. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. By the wall now. Now spread.
Okay, tara. Tara pa kayo.
Spread. He's walking out. Spread south, boys. Spread south. Run inside. Why do I have people run still inside, man? Why do I have people still inside? Ready defenses. He's looking. Careful. He's looking. Come south, boys. Come south. Boys, get ready. West side on me. Get ready. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. West side on me. Come south here. Fucking healers, retarded. Dicey Nico, you Molly, whoever. Why are you guys inside, man?
Yung healer mo nandito sa dulo. Northeast, oh. Start ka ulit.
Who's inside castle? Come north. They're gonna look here. They have engaged. Listen. Brawlers walking and brawl. He's looking. Brawlers walking already. Tanks walking. We're already inside of them. He's gonna engage soon. Get ready. Maharlika, come to me. Defense, come to me now. They're looking. Defense shallow. Maharlika, get ready. Counter. Get ready. West side. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. West side now. Spread and heal up. Spread and heal up. Spread and heal up. Boys. Spread and heal up. Spread and brawl. Spread up. Where's the healers? Spread. Okay, heal up my middle. There's no healers in the middle, man. Ready defenses. Careful on the west side. They're looking. Maharlika, DPS, find me now. Get ready. Hold. Careful, defense out. Fake. Yo, this is a headbutt. Okay, it's a headbutt. Get ready. Maharlika, potion out. Inside. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inside now. Spread and heal up. Okay. Yo, come inside here. Just go GG's. Come out, get out. Just go GG's. Yo, type GG's. Just go GG's.